finding as the business evolved was that there had been a positive movement following COVID for invoices to be submitted digitally, either via direct portal downloads, the ETC function, which is a Coins alternative product, or via email. So we were finding that there was additional requirements for us to streamline the paperwork process to transfer those invoices to either a printed medium or transfer them digitally into the Coins application. So there was a lot of downloading and uploading, a lot of dragging and dropping, and this coincided with the business having a significant increase in volume as the business expanded as a standalone entity. So we were faced with the dilemma of either expanding the accounts payable function to encompass the actual volume of invoices and the extra processes, or look for alternatives. So we favoured the Ancora solution over some of the other solutions we were looking at. The implementation, the testing phase was actually very straightforward. We were speaking with Chris and Christian, who are very knowledgeable about the product, and were able to adapt our configuration to fit our needs very rapidly. We've seen already that the intended benefits of saving time and reducing invoice processing have already started to appear. I would say that possibly initially probably 10 to 20% time saving. The accounts payable team are no longer having to register invoices on a manual basis. But the biggest time saving is that the attachment data for our Coins Plus environment is already there in a standard and uniform manner. So there was always a possibility that the attachment data might be missed, might be in incorrect format, or might be incorrectly labelled. Now it's done consistently.